Hey there, people. How's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Sesame Street Baby Wash. Yeah, now this is very lightly scented and it smells really nice. It smells like actually like a sweet little baby would. I mean, that nice little sweet scent that little kids have when they have just been washed, like if they're newborns and stuff, It's really a nice little thing to use on your child. Me and my wife have used this one. We also use, other different name brand baby washes, but my little 3-year-old likes this baby wash because it has Elmo on it. So we got it for him. We put it in his bathtub. He's ready to take his bath. Yeah, this lathers up really nicely. I mean, it gives really nice bubbles, and that's also an incentive. Anytime you can get a body wash or a baby wash that a child is going to be using, make sure it makes lots and lots of nice big fat bubbles because they love that. I mean, it's like playtime for them if you get the bubble action going. And I mean, I think everybody likes bubbles anyway, but this one really makes nice big fat bubbles that you can play with and all that. So yeah, the lather is great, really great. It's really kind of special that it's gentle. It's really, really gentle on the baby's skin. I've used some other brands before, really cheap brand once. I forget the name of it, but it really kind of dried out my my toddler's skin. I had to put some really thick lotion on my baby after using that one. It was really weird. I only used it once. Yeah, this one leaves the baby's skin really soft, really nice. Now, it won't dry it out. It won't dry the baby's skin out, but it's just good practice. Even though it doesn't like dry it out to where, it's dry at all, you should still, after using this, put on some kind of a baby lotion to, just keep it, nice and moist. But this is good for not drying your baby's skin out, and it cleans very well. That's another thing. A lot of times babies get really messy. I mean, and toddlers, I use this right now with my 3-year-old. That's a toddler. They get messy. They really do. They play in dirt and they have food all over themselves sometimes, and especially their hands and their mouths and face, and even their hair. They can get stuff everywhere. You really need something that will cover the whole toddler body. And this does it. It really gets the baby clean. I mean, even one time my kid had ink on his hands from writing from a writing pen, and he accidentally, no, I don't think it was an accident. He was playing around. He wrote on himself. I used some of this along with a nice warm wet rag with this and lathered it up real good. I scrubbed his hands and the back of his hands, and it got it out. It was really good. It got all of that out. It was nice, and there was no big deal. I was afraid, I was going to have to bring out the acetone or the alcohol or something to get it out, but I tried this first. Luckily, I did, and it worked. It's really good. It's good for babies that have allergies. This is hypoallergenic, so it's not going to affect your kid if he's allergic to different things that come in contact with his skin. So Sesame Street has done their due diligence and thinking about all the different little things that a baby might have, or a toddler, and they've covered it. I like that it's not overwhelmingly scented. It's only lightly scented, but it's just enough to give it that nice, clean baby smell that we all love. Yeah. So yeah, this is really good. And anytime you can have Elmo on the cover is awesome. I mean, you've won half your cleaning battle right there with your kid. Yeah, I like this a lot. It's really good. All right, well, we've been talking about the Sesame Street Baby Wash. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.